Today on Monday Mods. Products featured in this video were from maperformance.com. So we have a work shifter, we have AMS performance bushings and hardware, and the tools needed are an 8mm, a 10mm, a 14mm, ratchet to fit, and a short extension, and also a Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to start by removing the portion of the center console around the shifter assembly.
What are you doing?
Pulling the pieces. Okay. Disconnect this harness. Unscrew the shifter. And throw that away. Pull up on that. And disconnect the 12-volt outlet. Just gently pull on the harness. Get that out of the way. Remove these two 10mm screws. Remove these two screws. Unclip this wire harness. We're gonna have to bend that back. And then make sure everything's out and pull up the center console. There it goes. Told you. Okay, this part right here is pretty simple. We're just gonna release this ball off of the shifter linkage, and you might have to have somebody hold the shifter over, and then you're just going to pull each of these back and then slide the clip back, and it'll probably pop off of there if you're not careful, like that, and this will fall right out of there. So this just falls down in there. Okay. Alright, and then I believe the last step, we're just going to kind of pull this off the ball, lift up on the spring to pull it around the ball. Just leave it there. Don't lose it. There it is.
Now let's get it compared to the new works shifter. We're going to set this on the edge of the toolbox, and we're going to show the motion and how that's going to change the motion in the car. So the short throw shifter is not actually shorter. It actually makes the shifter longer to change the geometry, to actually change the dynamic of shifting. It's not about how long the actual shifter is from the base up to your hand. It's about how much less you'll have to move because the bottom is longer. And you can see the difference right there.
So I'm gonna put some in this right here. little bit. Nice and lubricated in there. I need this nice and smooth. Quick shifts. Hopefully faster than a Cadillac CTS-V. Let's just get a lot on there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and lubricate all that too. I'm probably not doing this right. I should probably just put it on the shaft. But now, so as you can see, I got the clip lined up with that in there. I got nice and lubricated. I got this nice and lubricated. We've also got this spring close to where it goes on opposite sides of this little metal piece. And going around the shifter, and we got this on this ball end with lots of lubrication. And now we're gonna put the pins, we're gonna put the top piece on, and then we're gonna put the pins back in. Get plenty of lubrication on there. They're kind of press fit. I'll probably have to tap that in there. Go ahead and get these started. Grab my little special tool.
What was the part number for that?
J3581, I think. Just in case any of you guys need to go out and get one.
We also have them for sale for $65 each. They come with a free Monday Mods t-shirt.
And sticker.
Good?
Yep. Swing this piece in here.
There's a wire back there too.
This one. Okay, Make sure all your panels line up. Start your screws, line your panels up again, and then torque them down. Clip that harness back on there. And plug in the connector. And then these notches back here have to line up with the notches back here. This piece here is going to keep the shifter boot up against the shifter. Okay, so this goes on there.
Nailed it.
Just touch the piece of it.
Reclip this back on there. One more piece to put in. Go this way.
Initial feels really good. The throws are extremely short compared to factory. It does feel a little bit notchier. I think Jeff was right when he said that, but we'll see if that grease works its way in there. See if that makes a difference over time, but either way, I think this is going to much improve my ability to shift. And the Evo, I'm sure you guys know, if you're our owner, that the throws are pretty long, so I'm pretty excited to see how this actually feels when we go on the road, which we're about to do here in just a moment. Man, that turbo. Right. It does seem a little bit like stiffer.
Yeah. That's what I meant by like notchy. But it's not like a bad notchy.
I think that's going to be a positive when it comes to the track.
Right. Because you'll be banging them so hard. Like, but you'll know that you got it in gear. I felt before it kind of felt mushy. Okay, so I got some screwdrivers for prying, and I got special tool J3581. Woo!
Jeff's first video is going to be the worst video because the cameraman sucks.
Shaky as hell.
There's no movement there.
Oh, dance party! I'm gonna go ahead and start my screws up top. I forget, Dorothy, you said magnet? Yeah.
Hate these windows, man.
Right.
Okay, let's see if
That's it, we're done. What?
We are done.
No, we're not.
Oh. We're not gonna leave it like this?
I don't care if you want to.
Hashtag race weight.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait.
Yeah.
Piston goes flying out there.